In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently deleted messages on the Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, once you've opened up Messages app, let me show you how we can easily delete a message or a conversation. To delete a message, just get into a conversation, long press on the message, tap it More, and then tap right here to delete message. To delete a conversation, just swipe to the left on the conversation you would like to delete, then tap at Trash Bin, and then delete. Basically, guys, although the message and the conversation are no longer showing here at our conversations list, they are not actually permanently deleted. They are moved to recently deleted, and that's how we can easily find it. Just tap at Edit and select Show Recently Deleted. Once we get into that list, it will show us all the messages and all the conversations we have deleted in the last 40 days, and they are stored there for 40 days. After that, they will be permanently deleted from that list. However, if you would like to recover some conversation, you can easily do so. Just select a conversation. In that way, a conversation or a message, and then to recover it, tap at Recover. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.